How to be a good cleaner? Want to become better at your job? Trying to win over more loyal clients? Looking for ways to streamline your work process? You've come to the right place. Oh yes, we've got all the answers for you right here. As you've most likely figured it out by now, cleaning isn't as easy as most people think. Yes, anyone can pick up a vacuum cleaner or a mop and do some sort of cleaning at home, but being a professional cleaner isn't just about doing the job, it is about doing the job right. That is right. There are many little details that most cleaners, be they private contractors or company employees, are missing. That is why there are so few cleaners with real 100% positive reviews. And that is also why they are always fully booked. Clients will always value professionalism above all else. How this website, how this platform, How to be a good cleaner came to be. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Antoaneta. I'm the founder and a leader of a thriving UK-based cleaning company called Fast Clean that has been doing strong for over many years since 2001. But I wasn't always a businesswoman. That is right. Once I was just like you. Chances are I was actually worse off. When I first decided to try my luck in the cleaning industry, I had just arrived in London, had barely £500 to my name and didn't know a word of English. This made for quite the rocky start. I had to learn thousands of things at once and I could barely even communicate with the people around me. But I pulled through and here I am today, ready to share all of my knowledge, all of my experience with you right now. This website was made to help cleaners looking to improve at their job, win over more cleaners and expand their horizons. All in all, it was made for people just like you. In our pages, you'll find a wellspring of information based upon personal experience and long years in the cleaning industry. Our assortment of cleaning lessons and materials are provided by UK-based cleaning experts, handpicked by yours truly. How to be a good cleaner here in UK. What this website can do for you, even everywhere in the world. This website is designed to teach you the ins and outs of how to be a good professional cleaner. We'll tackle topics like attentiveness. Remember how I mentioned numerous details. Versatility, how to tackle the different tasks that you'll be faced with. Flexibility, why you need to be as flexible with your schedule as possible. Efficiency, there is a reason most cleaning companies boast about efficiency and effectiveness. Time management, both in your work and in your personal time. Problem solving, on average, a cleaner needs better problem-solving skills than most places where it is a part of your job description. Teamwork and leadership. Even if you don't happen to be a part of a team at the given moment, these skills are absolutely invaluable for a cleaning expert. Honesty. A good cleaner is an honest cleaner. But those are all very general and broad topics, Antoaneta. Yes, they most certainly are. But if you want to learn how to be a really good cleaner, you need to study them all in a great detail. But I've already mastered all of this, Antoaneta, come on. Even though that is highly doubtful, there is always more to learn, no matter how experienced you are. If you're convinced that you've got the basic down already, we've always got the more specialized materials to different jobs and environments that you encounter. As I already mentioned it above, I own a cleaning business, and as any self-respecting business, we operate in different fields. We provide the whole London owners of business and private owners, private homeowners with a whole host of services. Like, let's just start. One-off cleaning, end of tenancy, after builders, carpet, upholstery, commercial, custom tailored cleaning service. And even though my company is currently focusing on the commercial sector due to the difference in clientele, if you are interested, we've got lessons covering that as well. We've got courses dedicated to being a really good cleaner in all of those areas. Why join our community? Let me just tell you, if you are still not convinced that this website is that what you're looking for, I've got one last trick up my sleeve. Our community. Over the few months that this project has been live, we've managed to build up a fantastic community of cleaners specializing in a variety of jobs. Our website is like a second home to numerous private contractors, company employees and freelancers, all of which are here to exchange ideas, share experiences, discuss strategies, and help each other out. No matter if you are looking for tips, seeking advice, or just need to talk to someone in your line of work, our community is always there for you. And now, we'll give you all the knowledge and all the experience and all the tools to become the best you can possibly to be at your job. So, I want to wish you a lot of success and enjoy our courses. If you need any extra help, please feel free to get in touch with us. And good luck with your cleaning. I'll see you soon.